This Century 21 Armstrong Team Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Lux. Stunning lakefront home, Florida living at its finest. Discover your slice of paradise with this move-in ready 3-bedroom, 2-bath concrete block home featuring a desirable split floor plan and a spacious 2-car garage. Nestled along a serene lakefront, this beautifully updated property offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and outdoor enjoyment. Step inside to find fresh paint, new flooring, and gorgeous mahogany-stained cabinetry complemented by beveled-edge granite countertops, a chef's dream kitchen. The open layout flows seamlessly, creating a light and airy atmosphere ideal for both relaxing and entertaining. Wake up to breathtaking sunrises and sip your morning coffee from the expansive 10 by 19 Florida room, your private 16 by 16 floating dock, or the cozy pergola just steps outside the primary suite. Surrounded by lush tropical landscaping, this lakefront gem is truly a retreat where every day feels like a vacation. Don't miss your chance to enjoy the Florida lifestyle. Schedule your showing today. For more information,